What is biofeedback-assisted relaxation? If you're curious about how to manage stress and gain better control over your body's responses, you might have heard of biofeedback-assisted relaxation. Let's break it down to understand what it is and how it works. Biofeedback-assisted relaxation is a technique that helps you become more aware of your body's physiological responses, such as heart rate, blood pressure, and muscle tension. This awareness is key to learning how to control these responses, especially when you're stressed. Here's how it typically works. During a biofeedback session, electrodes or sensors are attached to your skin. These devices send signals to a monitor that displays your heart rate, breathing rate, blood pressure, skin temperature, and even muscle activity in real time. This immediate feedback allows you to see how your body reacts when you're stressed. For example, when you're under stress, your heart rate speeds up, your muscles tighten, and your blood pressure rises. With biofeedback, you can see these changes on the monitor and use this information to adjust your relaxation techniques. You might practice deep breathing, progressive muscle relaxation, or guided imagery to calm your body and mind. Deep breathing involves taking slow, diaphragmatic breaths to slow down your heart rate and lower your blood pressure. Progressive muscle relaxation involves tightening and then relaxing different muscle groups to ease tension. Guided imagery helps you focus on a specific image to calm your mind and body. Another technique used is mindfulness meditation, where you focus your thoughts and let go of negative emotions. These relaxation exercises help you learn to control your physiological responses without the need for the biofeedback equipment over time. Biofeedback can help with a variety of conditions, including chronic pain, headaches, anxiety, and even urinary incontinence. For chronic pain, biofeedback helps you identify and relax tight muscles, which can relieve discomfort. For headaches, it can reduce the frequency and severity by easing muscle tension and stress. In terms of mental health, biofeedback is beneficial for managing anxiety, depression, and other conditions like OCD and PTSD. It helps you identify triggers and learn coping mechanisms to manage stress and anxiety more effectively. Biofeedback is also non-invasive and has little to no side effects, making it a safe alternative to other treatments. It can even help improve sleep quality by teaching relaxation techniques that you can use daily. Overall, biofeedback-assisted relaxation is a powerful tool that helps you gain control over your body's responses to stress, leading to better overall health and well-being. By using real-time data and practicing specific relaxation techniques, you can manage stress more effectively and improve your quality of life.